Tune in to Sports 360 with Ahmed Hamad.
Hello and welcome to Sports 360, and I'm your host Ahmed Hamad. Viewers, Pakistan beat England by 6 runs in the fifth match to take 3-2 lead in the 7-match T20 series at Gaddafi Stadium in Lahore yesterday. England winning the toss and put Pakistan into bat first. England have made 4 changes from the previous game, bringing in Alex Hales in place of Phil Jacks, Sam Curran for Oli Stone, Chris Woke for Reece Topley, and Mark Wood for Liam Dawson. While Pakistan have made 3 changes, bringing in Haider Ali for Khushdil Shah, Shadab Khan for Usman Qadir, and gave debut cap to Amir Jamal for Mohammad Hasnan. Batting first in 2 games in a row, Pakistan have to bowl second with dew factor in Lahore, a major concern for bowler to grip the wet seam of the ball. Anyways, Pakistan's start was not good, as throughout the innings, run scoring on a slow and double pace pitch was not easy for the batsmen. Only Rizwan, who made 63 of 46 ball, hitting 2 fours and 3 sixes, was the significant scorer. Pakistan batsmen again found Mark Wood pace along with accurate bodyline fast bowling hard to tackle with. He took 3 for 20 of his 4 overs, dismissing Babar Azam and Haider Ali for short pitch balls and clean bowling Asif Ali with a fiery Yorker. Rizwan, who is in his sublime form as of the previous year where he sets a new world record of most runs in a calendar year in T20 International with 1,326 runs at an average of 73.7, continues the same way this year with 607 runs from 12 games so far, averaging 67.4. In this series, from 5 games, he has scored 315 runs, averaging 78.75 with a strike rate of 140.62. He also sets a new record of runs scored in a T20 bilateral series against England with 4 50s, hitting 23 fours and 10 sixes so far, with 2 games still to go. Babar and Rizwan again opened the innings for Pakistan, but Babar was first to go at deep mid-wicket by Duckett, trying to pull one sharp delivery, bit more high than the ideal to pull it, and was out for 9 of 12 balls. Pakistan was 17 for 1 in 2.5 overs. Shan Masood was the next to go, trying unnecessarily a switch shot, got a top edge and was caught inside the circle at short third man by Wood of the bowling of Willie. Pakistan were 2 down for 42 in 5.5 overs. Pakistan were 43 for 2 the first power play. Haider Ali, who was given another chance, also fell to a short pitch ball from Wood. Trying to play across the line against a fast bowler who is bowling in excess of 150 kilometers per hour was hard to understand and raises question over his performance in international cricket despite hype over his performance in Pakistan Super League. He was out, caught and bowled by Mark Wood of just 4 of 6 balls. Pakistan were 51 for 3 in the 8th over. Pakistan 50 came in 7.1 over and was 66 for 3, halfway mark of their innings. Iftikhar, I thought, was unlucky. He did try to play a short pitch ball to vacant slip cordon, but was unluckily caught by Malan of Willie for 15 of 14 balls, and when the team total was 81 for 4 in 11.3 overs. At that point, it is clear that England fast bowler bowling with sheer pace and extracting unplayable bounce from the slow pitch was too much for the host team batsmen. Pakistan could only add 81 in the final 10 overs and 31 in the last 5 overs. Their 100 came in the 13.4 overs. Pakistan lost their 5th wicket of Asif Ali for 5 from 4 balls bowled by Wood when the score was 88 in 12.3 overs. And then at the same total, Nawaz was looking for a single which was refused by Rizwan and was run out by a direct throw from England captain Moeen Ali. Shadab was the next scheduled, as after hitting a 6 of Adil Rashid, was forced by Rizwan for the second run, and he was also short of crease and was run out for 7 of 2 balls, and the team total was exactly 100 for 7 in 13.4 overs. The debutant Amir joined Rizwan but was caught down the leg side again of short pitch ball for 10, and Pakistan were 118 for 8 in the 16th over. Rizwan followed him after scoring 63 of 46 balls, his 20th half century in T20 International and 4th of the series, and Pakistan were 131 for 9. Haris Rauf and Mohammad Wasim Jr. added crucial 14 runs from 8 balls, Haris hitting 1-6 and Wasim 1-4, and Pakistan were all out for 145 runs in 19 overs, couldn't even bat whole 20 overs of their inning. In reply, needing just 146 at over 7 runs per over, England could easily walk over and take the lead in 7-match series, but with some time, your arrogance, freestyle cricket, not adapting to the situation or the requirement of the game, as England did play aggressively and losing wickets on regular regular intervals. As Pakistan were unable to handle England bowlers' pace and short pitch bowling strategy, England also failed to handle Pakistani spinners and were found wanting. As Pakistani spinners Mohammad Nawaz, Shadab Khan, Iftikhar and the debutant fast bowler Amir Jamal gave away just 63 runs from 12 overs. The two fast bowlers did go for the runs, giving away 73 runs from their 8 overs, getting 3 wickets. But the spinners were right on the target, getting wickets at regular intervals and the required run rate increasing throughout the innings. The target, which was considered to be easy job for the visitors, but proved otherwise. England lost the first wicket of Alex Hales for 3 in the first over, slicing one from Nawaz, intentionally bowling slow to deceive the batsman, trying to hit hard, and was caught by Shadab at gully for 1. England lost Phil Salt in the 4th over for 19 on the board, as the wicket-keeper batsman could only score 3, caught by substitute Khushdil Shah at deep mid-wicket boundary off a loosener short pitch ball by Haris Rauf. Ben Duckett, who scored heavily for England in the series, and you must give credit to Pakistan captain Babar Azam, who brought the third man inside the circle and placed Shan Masood at the point boundary. Wasim to bowl angling the ball away from the left-handed batsman, sliced it in the air and was held by Shan Masood, and England were 31 for 3 in 5 overs. As Pakistan, England were also 42 for 3 in 6 overs and their 50 came in the 8.1 over. They were 58 for 4 in 10. Duckett's partner Harry Brook missed a wrong one from Shadab Khan and was plumb in front of the wicket for 4, and England were in deep trouble as the score was 54 for 4 in the 9th over. David Malan was the next to go, leg before to Iftikhar, bowling round the wicket, cramping left-handed batsman for a space, and through subtle change in the line and length create confusion in batsman mind and got Malan trapped leg before for 36 of 35 balls. He hit 6 fours. England's second highest run scorer departs when the team total was 62 in 11.3 overs. Then Sam Curran was caught brilliantly by Mohammad Wasim for 17 of the bowling of Amir Jamal, his first T20 international wicket of his very second ball of the career. England 85 for 6 in 14.2 overs, needing 58 of the final 5 with 4 wickets in hand, almost 12 and over, and Pakistan were all over England was difficult. But Moeen Ali, who we all know is a dangerous customer, hit 4 sixes and 2 fours, scoring 51 of 37, nearly won the game for England. As England needing 49 from the 4, then 40 from 3 at 13.33, and he scored 12 from the over number 17 to reach England total 118 for 6 in 18, needing 28 from the final 2 overs. But Haris Rauf, Pakistan spirit fast bowler, after being hit for a 6 in the over, still managed to save 15 for the final over, conceding 13 of his final over to finish with 2 for 41 of his 4 overs. Amir Jamal playing his debut match and to bowl the final over of the inning and was asked to save 15 runs was up to the task. Bowling first 2 dot balls, wide yorkers to Moeen, unable to hit for a boundary. Then he bowled a wide, but there is every chance when you aim for yorkers that 1 or 2 might pitch as half volley. And the third ball was half volley, dispatch into the crowd, back to the bowler for a 6. Equation now 8 from 3. He again bowled a yorker. Moeen couldn't connect, and the last 2 deliveries went for single. As Pakistan again narrowly defend the lowest T20 international total in Pakistan by 6 runs to lead the 7-match series 3-2. Rizwan was declared man of the match. The 6th match of the series is going to be played at Gaddafi Stadium in Lahore. And on this note, we come to the end of our show. Till the next program, it's goodbye from Sports 360.
Keep on watching Sports 360 with Ahmed Hamad for latest news, views, and interviews of sports personalities from around the world.